Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and yeah, just do all of that. Turn post notifications, and today I'm doing a room tour, and let's get started. So I'm in a rush, but I can't tell you why. So let's just go. So you turn to this side, you got the wall. So this is my wall, my memory wall. All that. I'm in a rush because I'm going to watch a movie, and this video can't be too long, otherwise I can't send it on YouTube for some reason, but only this video, and then that, and then that, and then this, books, Gillian Jones CD. If you go to my school, you might have seen that me and my friend Sophia keep talking about it. And then this, two candles, a bookmark what I made, and my hair bubbles, this, and then my clock, and then a pillow, another pillow, and another pillow. And then you turn to here, and there's this. I can't show you my friend's face. That's my friend Sophia. She's not allowed to be on YouTube. And then you've got that. And then we have got all my electronics. And we got my seat, all my gymnastics medals. And then we have my bed, my beautiful bed. Whoa! And then we have got this mat. And then we have got this. This is my new bottle, and I'm really obsessed with it. It's my favorite. Then I've got my wardrobe. Hi. And that is my whole room. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was a very quick video, but anyway, see you. Bye.